नीट टफ है, ये सबको पता है, लेकिन no one prepares you for this.
So here are the things I wish I knew before I started with MBBS. You are definitely not just solving MCQs anymore robotically. Like अब तुम जो भी पढ़ाई कर रहे हो that will decide someone's heartbeat, और ये fact तुमको all of a sudden hit नहीं करती है. What happens is that जो तुम्हारा बुक्स का वॉल्यूम है वो तुमको फर्स्ट तुम्हारे दिमाग में आएगा कि तुमको इतनी सारी बुक्स पढ़नी है, तुमको नोट्स बनाने हैं, तुमको लेक्चर्स देखनी है, फिर you need to sit for the exam. In NEET, just one mistake can ruin your life because your marks get down, so your rank gets down. But MBBS is where you make mistakes every day, every single moment. And now it's high time that you are no longer afraid of making mistakes because you will be making it till the end. Here you need to seek help from everyone. Here you need to share what you already know. That is how you expand your knowledge base. And if you are still that middle school girl thinking that you could keep your learning strategy a secret and that is how you would improve, you are mistaken, ma'am. People are way ahead of you. You don't even know about it. Finally, I will end with the essentials. That is, NEET में तुम्हारी marks, तुम्हारी rank, that is what mattered the most. But in MBBS, you have something else. You have attendance, you have your soft skills, and you have your impressions. How you hold your impression in front of the professor matters a lot during MBBS. So do not skip classes. Overall, तुम as an individual तुमको study किया जाएगा, not just during the exam but throughout the year. That is what matters in MBBS a lot. And with time you will feel that तुम इन सबके साथ एकदम से habituate हो जा रहे हो. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि MBBS easy हो जा रहा है. तुम you are getting stronger. That is what it is. हो ही नहीं सकता कि कोई भी मेडिको हो जिसने ग्रुप स्टडी नहीं की हो and फिर भी he or she appeared good in the viva. That is just not possible. Here professors are evaluating you on the basis of your whole year का performance. Okay, like तुमने classes attend की हो या नहीं, तुम classes में attentive थे या नहीं, तुम इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुमको हर एक सवाल का आंसर पता होना चाहिए, align with the class, and फिर तुम classes में interactive रहो, वो सबसे ज़्यादा important है. So if you have just joined MBBS, know that you will grow into the doctor you once dreamt of becoming, one day at a time, with consistent efforts put in.